Oh my God, boy, he got a Glock. Oh my God, boy, that boy on top. Sip and walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah, my love, my thigh.
What's up, everybody? So today we just got a new part. We got the intake manifold. This is finally going to fix that idle issue that I've been having a problem with because my idle air control valve doesn't connect to the wire harness. But we finally got a whole new intake manifold, which is a plus because it has the right sensor. So we're going to be installing that today. So first thing we gotta go and do is grab tools. I don't even know what the fuck I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna grab all of it. So first thing that's gotta come off is the intake, because we gotta get all that out of the way, and then after that we gotta take care of all the injectors, get rid of all those hoses, disconnect anything, and then finally get to the intake manifold and take off all those bolts or nuts or whatever. Hey yo, now introducing your boy Chris. He's helping me out today with the install. Okay.
Hey guys, so it's my fucking Civic in here. We're gonna, change the shit.
What are we gonna change?
We gotta take all these hoses off. We gotta start. We gotta color code all of them.
Yeah.
Make sure we don't lose any fucking information.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. What else going on?
See this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys. Subscribe for my videos.
Just took off the air intake, and now we're gonna start working on the fuel rail and doing disconnecting lines and any hoses and shit. So we just about got that thing out. Now that that's out, we're gonna go ahead and put in the new one. But before we put in the new one, we're gonna go ahead and put this brand new gasket. And yeah, after that we're just gonna plug everything back in, and then we'll be good to go. So over here we have to try and take off the gasket, but it looks like it has some sealer on it. Try not to damage anything or make anything uneven. Just loosely pulling this out because I cut my finger on it just now. Not fun. Alrighty, well that's out. Looks like we got this extra. We gotta scrape that off. Yeah. Now we just have to reconnect everything, which is going to be a pain in the ass because I barely know where anything goes.